Guys, welcome to Loki's Garage. We're gonna be unboxing the micro fuel pump for my 68 Mustang. It seems like my carburetor is not filling up the fuel balls because the mechanical one doesn't work that good, so we need to put something better to get more pressure. So here we go. And I'm using this model. You can see it's 38 gallons per hour, 4 to 7 psi, and supposedly it's good for a bunch of stuff. Can be used as a lift or a transfer pump. It's gravity fed line, inline, self priming. So here it is. Should work pretty good. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and install it and probably make a video out of it too. Let's open this baby up. And there it is. Comes with the pump, obviously, the wires, and it comes with a filter. Screws to hold it, and instructions. Go. Spanish, English and Spanish instructions. So there it is up close, so you can maybe read it if you want. And that's it. Let's see if open this thing up. So the filter goes here. I have to tighten this with a wrench. Take this off. There you go. Check it out. So ready to go. So that's it, guys. It's unboxed. Edelbrock electric fuel pump. Hopefully everything goes great on my Mustang, which I will show you later. All right, have a good one. Hope this helps somebody.